Hey guys, this video is on how to remove the lawnmower blades on your Cub Cadet riding mower. So the first thing you want to do, there's only 2 bolts you got to worry about. So one of them is right here, and then the other one's directly underneath that, and they're both 15/16. So what I'm doing is I got 2 of these because you got to break some torque. I've done plenty of these before without these breaker bar style socket wrenches. But this is the easiest way I found to do it. I've got 2 15/16 sockets there. I'm just gonna put one up here. Actually, so what I'm gonna do now is just raise the deck up. And actually with it raised all the way up, there's enough to get this in here. If not, you can put it on there and then raise it up. So you're gonna put one on this end and one directly underneath, and you're gonna apply counter torque and break the torque free. So here's what we're gonna do now. Just raise it all the way up. That. Slide this one here. Okay, got that one on there. And the other one, that one's sitting right there. The other one is directly underneath it. Now I've got this on some ramps. You know, I've done it without the ramps too, and totally doable. This just makes it a little bit more easier. So there's the other one. And I want to pull these off. You can see how torn up this thing is. And I'm going to do another video on sharpening them. And then, but this other one is just right here. So super easy, right? Hold this one, break the torque with this top one. Another one up here. There we go. Okay. So I'm still holding the top one. Now we have to restrain the blade because that bolt's gonna follow the blade, right? So it doesn't want to come out yet. So we're gonna have to unscrew that. Okay, what I did here now is I put a screwdriver. You can put a bar, anything down through there, something to restrain this blade, right? Let me turn the light on. So there's the screwdriver. So we're gonna what I did, just put that on there like that, right? And just crank it all the way clockwise. You can see when you turn it, that screwdriver I've got in place keeps the blade from turning this way, and that's what you want. And then this will just screw right off. That's it. Now you can just pop this thing right off. Okay, these things, sometimes you might have to give them a little tap with your hammer just to get the blade off of there. So I had to tap this one a little bit to knock it loose, because see there's a star pattern on there, so it kind of likes to almost get stuck on. Yeah, this baby's seen better days. Definitely in need of some sharpening, some refurbishing. So I can sharpen it, refurb it. Probably a good idea to go get a new blade, put some brand new ones on here. But I'm gonna sharpen this one. I'll get some new ones next time, but it's good to know what they look like. I mean, what you got left. You know, I got some breakage there, a whole bunch of corrosion, bunch of nicks and dings. Definitely no edge at all on this thing. So. All right, I went down today and got some new blades. Look at this. Here's the benefit of refurbishing your blades if you can. Look at that. That's a piece. 25 bucks a piece. So, yeah, if you can refurb these things, it'd be smart of you. They're nice though. Nice. Slap these babies on. So we'll go ahead and put these on the same way they came on. Okay, I didn't really need to take this one off. I could have done without taking that off. That's mainly for the pulley, if you want to take that pulley off, but it can also work for, it did work for a little bit of counter torque, but I took that off. Really all you need to do is worry about that bottom nut and then immobilizing the blade by sticking something down through there like I showed you. But I'll go ahead and reinstall this one. Yeah, this top wrench with this 15/16 socket on there really helps for applying counter torque for getting the blade on for the bottom, and then, you know, using this one to crank down that blade. So not a total waste as far as having two wrenches out with two 15/16. That way you don't have to stick it down there, immobilize your new blade, maybe ding it up possibly. It's a lot easier just to apply that torque right up, counter torque right up here, and twist one of the two of them. Preferably twisting that bottom one, just cranking that blade back on there. Then you're good to go. I'll just go ahead and do the other side. Be back in business in no time.